Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Dr. Candice Hayes here. Today we are talking about driving posture and things that you can do easy to incorporate into your daily routine, especially when taking long drives, to help eliminate as much pressure as you can off of the spine. So let's get right into it. Tip number one is sitting up straight. When you are driving, you want to make sure that you are sitting up straight, shoulders back, hands at 10 and 2 or around there. That's going to keep a natural curve in your lower back, right? That takes as much pressure as possible off of the spine. Naturally, as we get tired, whether in the car or in the office, we start to kind of lean forward a little bit, shoulders roll forward, your back loses that curve. That's going to put more pressure on the spine. So remember, as soon as you catch yourself doing this, pull it back, shoulders back, neck going to be straight forward, hands around here. That eliminates that pressure. The second tip to kind of segue into that is using a lumbar roll. You can get these little cylinder pillows, called lumbar rolls, or you can actually roll up a towel and stick it in your lower back. That's going to help you to keep that natural curve there, which is going to naturally pull your shoulders back as well. Most cars nowadays anyway come with the lumbar support in the seat. You can hit a little button and you'll feel those gentle rolls pushing up against your spine. That's a super easy way to encourage that natural posture. Third tip is for my guys. Make sure, fellas, you do not sit on your wallet. If you have your wallet in your back pocket, let's say it's on your right side, your right hip pelvis is going to slightly increase, which means you're going to be sitting at a tilt. Over time, continuing to sit like that is going to shorten the muscles on this side and lengthen the muscles on the opposite side, which means you're going to start walking like that as well. That's going to put more pressure on your back, on your hip, knee, ankle, so on and so forth, okay? So make sure you take that wallet out. It's going to keep your spine and your pelvis nice and level. It's going to help you keep that natural posture. The fourth tip is take breaks. If you are going to be taking a long trip, make sure every 2 hours you stop. 10-15 minutes just to stretch, walk around. It decompresses that spine, lengthens those muscles back up, and relieves a lot of that pressure. We all know the longer we sit, we start to shift our position, right? So if you're supposed to be here, you start to get tired, you start to lean onto that middle console with one hand up. I do it all the time. Or you start to lean the other way towards the window, same kind of thing. You want to stay centered, keep that posture nice and straight, keep that pressure off the spine. The last tip is, if you know you have a neck or a back injury, bring your ice packs or a heating pad with you. If you have a new injury and your doc is saying, hey, I need you to ice twice a day, that doesn't stop just because you're traveling or because you're taking a road trip. Just like you put your water, your juice, or your snacks into your cooler, throw an ice pack or two in there. Every couple hours, put that ice pack on, 15-20 minutes, and it's going to help to relieve that inflammation and that swelling that you may have. The new cars, again, nowadays has the heated seats anyway. So if your injury is older, it happened years and years ago, and it flares up every once in a while, heat is a good option for that. Helps to relax the muscles, and those seats gives you the perfect low temperature, consistent heat, okay? So those are some quick and easy tips. If it's anything that you guys want to talk about, leave it in the comments, and we'll make sure we get to that, okay? We'll see you on your next visit.